I found it! The Great Mars City! I wonder what would my friends say?
Yeah, I love that type of chilling. But hey, Zana, shouldn't you be doing something more relaxing?
I'm collecting data from even farther than I could yesterday, do you believe it? The chances of me gaining so much upgrades on my internal systems.
Too much, too much. I will continue my great day. You know what? I'm going to do something.
Guys, you won't believe me. I just found something really big. I found a Great Mars City.
Where?
Not a long trip, Desher. Where is Zana? I go get her and we're going. And I found all this.
Except there was no new friends for them.
I am really glad you found something, Bubble.
Yeah, she is. But you're good, actually. Thank you, and Zana, you should maybe explore it more. Oh, not Aqua Boom again! Where is Desher? He teleported, come on!
Such a stressful run, don't you think?
Indeed. But we made it. Your systems are working so bad, you should relax.
Yeah, my head is really full. I go ask Desher how to